are at home, safe and healthy. Now this is my first video that I have put specially for the students of +1, that is the children who have come into +1 just now, and maybe I know many of your papers are not over in ICSE board. Some students have 3 papers left, some have 4. But never mind, we have already started with the online classes, so you should begin with the studies of +1. Now children, this year I want to inform you that the question paper pattern has changed both for literature and language. Now till last year, that is the +2, present +2 who are going to appear for their board examination in 2021, they were having English language paper for 100 marks and English literature paper also for 100 marks. But from this year onwards, that is from the present +1, the question paper pattern has been changed. Now we will have the question paper out of 80 marks like you had for your classes 9th and 10th, and there will be 20 marks for your assignment. Now in the language paper, we have written question paper out of 80 marks, 20 marks assignments, and those assignments will be 10 marks listening skills and 10 marks speaking skills like we had in class 10. So in details, I will give you how many marks are carried for each part of the question paper. Now in case of the literature paper also, this year onwards, from +1 onwards, you will have 80 marks written paper and 20 marks assignment. Now in the 80 marks written paper, you have to attempt 5 questions in all. One is a compulsory question from Shakespeare, that is we are doing the play Tempest, and you have to do 4 more other questions, 1 compulsory from the Tempest and 3 other questions from the other 2 books, that is poetry and prose. So in detail I will give you the syllabus now. Children, now this is the pattern of the ISC questions till 2021 March, that is the present +2 who are going to give their +2 board examinations in March 2021. This is for the English language paper. Their paper is for 100 marks and the time allotted to them is 3 hours. So they have 4 questions, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first question is the composition, and they are supposed to write down that composition from 450 to 450 words, and the time advisable to attempt this question is 50 minutes, and the marks allotted for the composition are 25 marks. This is till now the present +2 will appear with this question paper pattern. Question number 2 is divided into 2 parts, A and B. A is the directed writing. Now the directed writing is the article writing. Then you have the book review, movie review, the review of a cultural program, personal profile, statement of purpose, etc. Now this directed writing, they are supposed to write it within 300 words, and the time allotted for both A and B part is 40 minutes, and the marks for the directed writing is 20. And the second part of the second question is the proposal writing, and they are supposed to write down the proposal in 150 words. And both question number 2, both the parts are supposed to be written within 40 minutes. So the children can divide 40 minutes accordingly for writing the article, etc. and the proposal. Now the proposal writing is for 10 marks. Third question, there's no word limit because this is the grammar questions. The children are supposed to spend not more than 30 minutes on these grammar exercises, and the grammar exercises are for 20 marks. And the last question, question number 4, is a comprehension passage, and the advisable time for the students to spend on this question is 1 hour, and the marks are 25. So this total is 100 marks paper without an assignment. This is the format which was being followed till now, that is the present +2 who are going to appear in March 2021. Now this year the ISC board has come up with a new pattern for both English literature and language. Now the pattern of English language paper is as follows, that is the present +1 who are going to appear for their +2 papers in 2022 are going to follow this format from this year onwards. Now the question paper has the same number of questions, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first question is a composition, and this composition is to be written within 400 to 450 words, and the advisable time for the students to spend on this question is 50 minutes, and it carries 20 marks. Initially it carried 25 marks. Now the marks are reduced by 5. Now second question, as before, it is divided into two parts, A and B. A part is the directed writing and B part is the proposal writing. Now the directed writing, again I said, they are the article writing, etc. It is to be written within 300 words, and the proposal is to be written within 150 words. Now it is advisable to spend just 40 minutes in writing both the article as well as the proposal. You can divide your time accordingly. The directed writing, that is the article writing or book review, whichever you get, it carries 15 marks, and the proposal carries 10 marks. The third question, as same as before, grammar exercises, and advisable time is to spend on this question is 30 minutes, and it carries 15 marks. Initially it was for 20 marks. And the last question is the comprehension passage, and it is advisable to spend 1 hour on doing this comprehension passage, which carries 20 marks. So now this total is out of 80. So the paper for class 11 will be out of 80. The time is the same, 3 hours, and the additional project work has been added for 20 marks. Now in this 20 marks, it will be 10 marks listening skills and 10 marks speaking skills. Now in speaking skills, like we did in 9th and 10th, each student will be given a time of 3 minutes to speak on any topic, followed by a discussion with the subject teachers for 2 to 3 minutes. And in the writing skills, a comprehension passage will be read out by the teacher. The students will be allowed to make necessary notes, and then they will have to answer a questionnaire on like short type questions. The listening skills will be out of 10 marks and speaking skills also out of 10 marks. So this is the change in the pattern of the ICSE question paper of language. Now the question paper pattern of literature has also changed. This year plus 2 is going to appear with in the exams with 100 marks paper, but plus 1 they will have a question paper out of 80 marks and 20 marks assignment. Now in 80 marks they will have to attempt 5 questions in all. One is a compulsory question from the Shakespearean play The Tempest. In this compulsory questions, there will be 3 extracts given. Out of 3 extracts, children have to attempt any 2. This carries 20 marks, means each extract carries 10 marks. So this will be a compulsory question. You will attempt 20 marks from here. Then you will have the 4 questions, essay type questions from the other books, that is the Reverie and the Echoes, that is stories and poetry. So you have to attempt 4 other questions, and 1 question is compulsory from each book. 1 essay type question compulsory from The Tempest, 1 essay type compulsory from the Echoes, and 1 compulsory from Reverie. And the 4th question you can choose to do from any of these 3. Now each of these 4 questions is going to carry 15 marks each. So you have to attempt 4 questions carrying 15 marks each, and the first compulsory question carrying 20 marks. So the total written paper of literature will be out of 80, and 20 marks will be the project work which will be given by your subject teachers, which you will complete during the course of this year. I hope this question paper pattern is clear to +1 as well as +2. Thank you. I hope you've understood this. Please subscribe to my channel so that you come to know when my next video comes up. Thank you.